We're at the Manor Primary School up in Sheffield. We've supplied them with 3 three-seater benches and 4 walk-in picnic tables. All of our products are made from 94mm by 44mm Swedish redwood. The Manor Primary School, they opted for the walk-in design picnic table. This is so that the children can slide the way in as opposed to climb over. This reduces the risk of health and safety issues with trips and falls. In addition to the walk-in style and the A-frame style, we also offer wheelchair accessible picnic tables, which many schools opt for. Another feature that schools and commercial premises really like about our picnic tables is we recess the nuts on the back, so this bolt comes through and then it sinks into the wood itself, so there's no risk of injury, ripping cloves. It's all flush. All of our timber is sanded on the edges, so there's no risk of splinters. It's a lovely smooth finish. So we've got a full 300mm width seat, which is a lot more comfortable to sit on for prolonged times. We're the preferred supplier for countless districts, including Lambeth Council, Manchester Council. The reason for this is the quality and the robustness of the product and the attention to detail that goes into manufacturing each product.